Students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will discuss interrogative sentence and imperative sentence on narration as a second day class. First, I say the rules of changing interrogative to indirect. If you want to do direct narration to indirect narration in interrogative sentence, you will apply asked, inquired of, demanded of instead of reporting verb. Follow the example. You say to the boy, have you done the sum? It is reporting verb and it is reported speech. You, it is the verb of reporting verb. Here will be asked according to the rules instead of reporting verb. You asked the boy if the interrogative sentence begins with auxiliary verb, then comma or inverted commas, then comma and inverted commas will be replaced by if or whether. If you asked the boy if, second person change according to object. The boy pronoun he, present perfect change to past perfect. He had done the sum. Everybody follow the second example. My father said to me, what are you doing? My father asked according to the rules, use asked instead of reporting verb. My father asked me if the reported speech begins with interrogative pronoun, then a comma, then comma and inverted commas will be replaced by interrogative pronoun. 1. Present continuous change to past continuous. Second person change according to object. I, subject me, subject I, what I was doing. Remember that the use of that conjunction in the sentence is completely prohibited. The third step is imperative sentence. If you want to do direct narration to indirect narration in imperative sentence, you will apply asked, told, requested, commanded, begged, prayed, advised are instead of reporting verb. However, all depends on the meaning of reported speech. Follow the example. He said to them, let us go out for walk. The imperative sentence begins with principal verb or let. If there is us after let, it means proposal. If the proposal starts with let, then reporting verb will be replaced by proposed or suggested. Proposed or suggested. So he proposed to them, comma and inverted commas will be replaced by that. If let means proposal starting with let, then modal auxiliary verb should sit instead of let. As subject we should go out for one. He proposed to them that we should go out for what? The second example, the poor man said, "Let me have some food." The poor man follow this. If the reported speech starts with let, or if there is us, if there is any object other than us after let, it does not mean proposal. If the proposal does not start with let, the reporting verb will be replaced by according to the meaning. The poor man requested that if let does not means proposal starting with let, then modal auxiliary verb might sit instead of let. That first person change according to subject. The poor man pronoun he, that he might have some food. The poor man requested that he might have some food. The last example, the teacher said to me, "Go on." The teacher if the reported speech begins with principal verb, then comma and inverted commas will be replaced by to, and reporting verb will be replaced by according to meaning. According to the meaning, the teacher ordered. The teacher ordered me to go on. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.